This just came in straight from the health and wellness headquarters. Vegetables are not optional. Turns out scientists have uncovered a secret ingredient to a longer, healthier life. And it's not a magic pill or a fad diet. It's something simple, something you can add to your meals right now. Vegetables. That's right. Those colorful, crunchy, and often overlooked foods can work wonders for your body. In fact, the World Health Organization recommends eating at least 400 g of fruits and vegetables a day. That's 5 servings. If you're not meeting this target, you could be missing out on some serious health benefits. Now, the question is, why do you need to add vegetables to your meal, and why is there so much buzz about this? Vegetables are a great source of 1. Vitamins and minerals. Vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and folate. These nutrients play a vital role in keeping our bodies healthy. For example, vitamin A is important for good vision, vitamin C helps boost our immune system, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure. Spinach, carrots, and sweet potatoes are all good sources of vitamin A. Oranges, strawberries, and kiwi fruit are good sources of vitamin C. Bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes are good sources of potassium. But that's not all. Vegetables are rich in fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. It helps keep our digestive system healthy, and it can also help lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, runner beans, peas, etc. are good sources of fiber. 3. Antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that can protect our cells from damage. They help reduce inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and autoimmune disorders. Vegetables like eggplant, dark leafy greens, purple cabbage are good sources of antioxidants. They also help with weight management. Vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, which makes them a healthy option for Weight Watchers. 5. Regulate blood pressure. Potassium-rich veggies like spinach and bananas can help regulate blood pressure. 6. Lower cholesterol. The soluble fiber found in vegetables like oats and Brussels sprouts can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and promote heart health. 7. Blood sugar balance. The complex carbohydrates in vegetables like carrots, onions, radishes, and whole grains release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, preventing energy crashes and spikes. Also, fiber-rich veggies can enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels. 8. Radiant skin. Water-rich veggies like cucumber and watermelon keep your skin hydrated, plump, and glowing. Also, antioxidants in berries and leafy greens combat free radicals, reducing signs of aging and protecting your skin from damage. So, how do we get these nutritious veggies into our daily routine? 1. Add them to your breakfast. For example, a spinach and egg scramble. 2. Add them to your lunch. For example, you could try Caesar salad with grilled chicken or fish. You can also pack a veggie-packed sandwich for lunch. 3. Add them to your dinner. For example, you could try a pasta dish with stir-fry vegetables or salad. 4. Snack on them. Munch on carrot sticks or cucumber slices with a dip. 5. Buy produce in season. Fresh or frozen vegetables that in season or locally grown are more nutritious. And it's a wrap. If you're looking for more tips on how to add vegetables to your meals, please turn on your post notification and subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos. Don't forget to leave your comment below, share with your friends, and let's keep inspiring one another to live healthier lives.